just wanted to share with y'all, I'm so excited about this Amazon purchase that I made. This is for all the moms, dads that are sorting their child's toys, or just you want to sort anything. So I've been sorting my child's toys. He had too many, you just got to go through them every so often. Gave some away, and the ones that I kept, I've been putting in these plastic bags. Like, all his little people would go in one bag, all his like Spider-Man, all his Spider-Man, all his superhero characters would go in a different bag. Did I say little people already? Little people in a bag. Just like Ninja Turtles, all the Ninja Turtles would go in one bag. Just all the toys that go together would stay together, and I'd put them in plastic bags. But then I thought to myself, this is doing it. This is cool. It's keeping them organized, keeping them all together. Because once you start putting all the toys together in a bag or a bin, whatever, it just gets crazy. So separate them by whatever, so he can just go. Say he wants to play with the Ninja Turtles, just grab the bag. All the Ninja Turtles are there. You don't gotta look around the house for him, even though he's still gonna be looking around the house for him. That's fine. Put him in here, and then put him in his like little cube, fabric cube organizer thing he has. So I said to myself, there has to be something like more durable, like more like cuter, something that just looks better, hold up a little better. So I went on Amazon, of course, and found these bags, these cute bags. This is a pack of 24. They came in 3 of each. Is it 3 of each color? 3 and 2 of each color. So there's the orange, green, black, light and dark blue, red, yellow, and purple, if you can see the purple. It came in those, and this is the size of them. A good size. For example, I have all his squishy toys in here. You can see. Then I have all his little people in here. As you can see. And it's zipper. And at first, when I ordered them, I just thought that they were mesh, but they're not mesh. They are, it's solid. It's solid. So that's cool too. Yeah, so just put them in here, and then put these in the cube. We're always trying to incorporate colors and learning and everything with them. Like, yeah, go get your squishy toys are in a green bag, and you look, and then he'll find green, and it'll be a moment, a little learning moment. But yeah, I love these things. I'm sure they probably come in maybe a variety of sizes. These are great if you're organizing for your kids' toys or for yourself, just whatever. I just had to share because I loved them. This was probably one of my greatest Amazon purchases, maybe greatest purchases ever for organizing.